Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add multiple videos to an Instagram story. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on my avatar icon at the top right. And from there, just go ahead to the apps and then type Insta, right? And double check if your Instagram app needs to be updated. And as you can see, there is a new update coming, so please make sure that you update it. I'm gonna quick demonstrate how it's done because I updated to the latest version. I'm gonna need to update it for few features, so I'm gonna show you how it's done. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Instagram, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and add the video that I want. So in order to add the video that I want, let me just go ahead to my photos and make this video quiet because otherwise you're gonna hear some noises and all that. So I'm gonna just make that video on mute basically, right? And now after I made it on mute section, on the mute, now I'm gonna be able to play it safely. So I'm gonna add this video, right? And as you can see, this is the video in front of you. Now if I wanted to add another video or add multiple videos to Instagram story, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click the sticker at the top, and what you're gonna see right here a photo, and here you're gonna be able to add like a photo, not video. You can add a photo. So if I wanted to add a video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just I'm gonna just go ahead and publish it to my story, and I'm gonna just hold again and add to my story, and I'm gonna add the video that I want to add or publish on Instagram story. So there's one way to actually do it, right? So this is like the best second solution or for now, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. But turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.